Guys, we're here to do a quick test on the ND Filter 4 again, because today,
take off,
though the weather is extremely cold, -3 degrees or something thereabout, it's also very bright and sunny.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Best thing to do, it's windy as well, quite windy. So we're just gonna take the opportunity and deal with the sun rays coming straight into the ND Filter 4. And let's see how the ND Filter 4 is going to handle this. Okay guys, I'm putting the EV on 2.0, but as I climb up all the way to about 30, thereabout, exactly 30, maybe there could be a different, rays I need to correct. Okay, so let me put it down back to 1.7, 1.3, and let's cruise on 1.3. P mode for now. Taking a straight route as usual. And gonna roll to the right. Keep rolling. Aim the gimbal down. And I don't know if we have to do this side or let's do this side first. So 30 meters up in the sky, 29 precisely. And I'm going till I feel I have to come back. Here we go. And now we are at the Tesco runabout. Nice and easy. Here we go. So let's stay on the runabout for a bit. Then I'll roll to the left. Raise my altitude up whilst I'm on the runabout to capture everything that's going on there. I'm raising it up to whatever I can. It's very windy, so I have to be careful on P mode. So I've just raised it up to about 80 in the wind. And I'll come back with the gimbal pitched down. Okay. Then I'll roll it up and keep coming back whilst I lower my altitude. Altitude is being lowered. I'm lowering my altitude to about 50. Okay. Now I have to raise it again because I'll be losing signal because it's more or less, on this direction here, somewhere thereabout. Okay, now what we're gonna do basically, guys, is coming back up again. How you doing, mate? Okay, now let's do some cruising around these estates. Going down about 40. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful this is. Okay, I'm gonna come back slowly. My altitude is about right. And I have to raise it a bit. Then what I'm gonna do is try and turn this way. Then I'll go back. Raising my altitude again, guys. And now I have to roll slowly to the right. So those of you who are interested in videography, this is video this time around. Okay, how to play around with a gimbal and your sticks. And then turn it slowly. Turn it slowly. This is all manual, guys. And I'm trying to bring the park in the frame at the same time turning. Beautiful, isn't it? Then what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put the reservoir in the frame by bumping it up and going back. It's about 500 meters from here already. Wherever this place is, we're still not too close to home. Okay, so here we go. Now that we've got everything in the frame, I'm just gonna pretend coming down, hoping I don't lose signal. My battery percentage is 71%. And then I'll still push it back a bit, just to put something in the frame for you guys, yo. I don't really know where I am now right now, I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know where I am, okay? Hope we don't get disconnected. Now I'm gonna come forward, aiming towards the reservoir. My distance keep reducing, so it means I'm somewhere, somehow getting closer to my home point. This is P mode for you guys, yo. Okay, so we're coming towards the reservoir. Turning slowly. And my hands are shaking. The weather is quite cold, extremely cold. Okay. Now we are at the reservoir, precisely. So now that we are at the reservoir, let's see what we can do with the reservoir. Turning slowly. Still on the reservoir. Altitude is 40 meters. So nice and easy, guys. This is beautiful, isn't it, y'all? So if I bump it up, then I turn looking at the island. I've lost signal already. Bumping it up again. I'm losing signal, guys. So let me come back. Let me bump it up and come back. And that will be the end of this video for now. Weather is very cold. I've lost signal completely. And my juice, I don't know what it is for now. Should I initiate to return to home? You reckon? What do I do? Well, very stubborn, isn't it? Bump it up. And I'm coming back in a straight line. Okay, this is the time I have to initiate return to home.
Go home.
And I need to change my EV to a brighter state. Okay, whatever it is coming back home, guys. We've done our bit in this cold weather, must admit. So it's almost here. Okay.
Landing.
Okay, I'm gonna cancel the landing, guys, and do. I'm gonna cancel the landing and do a reverse mode. It's about 35. So I'm just gonna do a reverse mode from here. From this standpoint, we're doing a reverse mode, 25 altitude. Gonna have to stop a minute and increase the EV. Then I'll bump it up. Start bumping it up. Bumping it up. Bumping it up. It's a very nice view, guys. We've got everything in the frame now. Let's put it on about 60. $65. Okay, now we've got everything in the frame, including Flamstead and Park. So what we're gonna do now is basically just do a reverse mode. We're happy with this. Let's do a reverse mode now, guys. So just gonna turn, nice and easy. And to be very sure, let's check this on the map. Okay. And we're gonna try and come back now. Now we're coming back. This is a reverse mode. I hope I've got it right. I hope I've got it right, guys. Otherwise, we're in trouble. Okay. Let's hope it's coming back because it's quite far away from here and the battery is very low. Hope it's coming back, like I said. Okay. We've got juice under 35%. Very scary, guys. I believe to make it, let me start reducing my altitude. Almost to 30, just in case something happens, I'll dump it in the bushes. Okay, I think I can almost hear it now. So here we go. This is beautiful, guys, isn't it? Battery is very low. I don't intend to take any more chances. Let me come back. Cabin crew, get ready for landing.
Landing.
Give the universe a lifetime treat. Say a prayer with every little heartbeat. The name is Didos Amados, and we are out for this episode. Ciao.